So in the last few minutes here in western Kansas, the temperatures dropped from 29, 30 degrees to 7 degrees. We've got a 30 to 40 mile an hour gusting wind blowing in. Had ice fog early in the day, which has started to knock down some of the tree limbs. You can see one over here. Super little ice. And knocked power out to the entire city. So we were charging in an RV place. I hadn't counted on the fact that we could lose power in the whole city. RV place is down. My wife's parents have a gas generator, so our propane generator, we're going to try to plug in there and get a little bit of a charge. Pretty miserable night, and this is just the beginning of it. I'm expecting temperatures to go to negative 6 to 10 in this area, so we'll see how things go. Hopefully I can at least get a 110 plug on it to keep it warm overnight. Keep you posted.